Have you ever tasted a sun-warmed tomato straight from the plant? That burst of flavor is something you can't buy. Imagine picking fresh coriander from your own pot and adding it to your meal. Pure magic. Growing your own food is about more than eating. It's about connecting with nature and watching a tiny seed become something wonderful. This simple act brings happiness and peace into your home. You don't need a big garden, just a sunny balcony, a windowsill, or a few pots on your terrace. Gardening is about your desire to grow, not the size of your space. Anyone can be a gardener with a little sun, some soil, and a lot of love. Your small space can become a green paradise, giving you fresh herbs, flowers, and vegetables. Coming home to your own green corner is a wonderful way to relax and forget your worries. Your little garden becomes your friend, growing with you and giving you reasons to smile. Every new leaf and flower is a small victory. This connection teaches you patience and the simple wonders of life. Let's start this journey together and bring a piece of nature into our homes. We'll learn how to care for our plants and what they need to thrive. You don't need to be an expert, just curious and willing to try. Your hands might get dirty, but your heart will be full of joy. Let's plant the first seed and watch the magic begin. This is your story, your garden, your little piece of heaven. Ready to start? Let's dig in and grow something beautiful together. With each plant, you'll discover a new joy. Your garden will become a place of peace and pride. Even a single pot can transform your day. The journey is simple, but the rewards are endless. So let's begin. One seed, one pot, one smile at a time. Your garden adventure starts now. Welcome to your green journey. Before you buy seeds or pots, become a sun detective. Plants need sunlight to thrive, so observe where the sun shines in your home. Spend a day watching which spots get the most light. Morning, noon, and evening. A spot with 5 to 6 hours of direct sun is perfect for vegetables like tomatoes and chilies. 3-4 hours of sun is great for leafy greens and herbs. Even if you have little direct sun, you can still grow shade-loving plants like mint. Match your plant to the light you have. Don't force a sun lover into the shade. Make a simple map of your space, marking sunny and shady spots. This will guide you in choosing the right plants and where to place your pots. Understanding your home's light is your first gardening success. With this knowledge, you're ready to welcome your new green friends. The right spot makes all the difference. Your plants will thank you with healthy growth. Observation is the key to a thriving garden. Start with the sun, and everything else will follow. Your gardening adventure begins with a little sunlight. Let's move to the next step. Now let's talk about the soul of your garden, the soil. Good soil is the foundation of healthy plants. Don't use heavy ground soil in pots. It can suffocate roots. Instead, make a potting mix. 1 part garden soil, 1 part compost, 1 part coco peat. Compost is plant superfood, and coco peat keeps the mix light and moist. Always use pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Place a small stone or broken pot piece over the hole to keep soil in, but let water out. Fill your pot with the mix, leaving an inch at the top for watering. Keep the mix light and airy. Don't press it down. Now your plant has a perfect home, soft, nutritious, and well-drained. Preparing good soil is an act of care. Healthy roots mean happy plants. Take time with this step. It's worth it. The right soil sets your garden up for success. Your plants will reward you with strong growth. Good soil is the start of every great garden. Let's choose your first plants. Ready to grow? Time to choose your first plants. Start with easy, forgiving herbs. Tulsi, holy basil, pudina, mint, and dhania, coriander, are perfect for beginners. Tulsi loves sun. Give it 4-5 hours daily. Water when the topsoil is dry. Pudina grows fast. Keep it in its own pot. Give it morning sun and moist soil. Start mint from a market cutting in water, then plant it once roots appear. Dhania is simple. Crush kitchen seeds, sprinkle in a shallow pot, cover lightly, and keep moist. Coriander likes sun but not harsh afternoon heat. These herbs grow quickly and add fresh flavor to your meals. With these plants, you'll learn the basics and enjoy instant rewards. Herbs are the best teachers for new gardeners. They don't need much space or care. Fresh leaves at your fingertips every day. Start with these and your confidence will grow. Your kitchen will never be the same. Let's add some vegetables and flowers next. Once you're comfortable with herbs, try easy vegetables and flowers. Palak, spinach, grows fast, wide pot, morning sun, moist soil, and harvest leaves as needed. Tomatoes and chilies love sun at least 6 hours daily, bigger pots, and regular watering. Support tall tomato plants with a stick. Watching your own tomatoes ripen is pure joy. Flowers are essential too. Marigolds and zinnias are easy and attract pollinators. Marigolds also keep pests away. Plant them among your vegetables. Flowers and vegetables help each other, creating a healthy garden community. Add fragrant flowers like jasmine or rose if you have space and sun. Their scent will fill your home naturally. A mix of vegetables and flowers makes your garden vibrant and productive. Each plant plays a role in your garden's success. Enjoy the colors, scents, and flavors. Your garden will be a feast for your senses. Start small and let your garden grow with you. Every new plant is a new adventure. Your balcony can become a living painting. Let's keep your garden thriving all year. Gardening in India is a year-round adventure thanks to our changing seasons. Each season brings new opportunities to grow different plants. In summer, March-May, grow heat-loving veggies like okra, brinjal, and beans. Water often, early or late in the day. Monsoon, June-September, is perfect for leafy greens and gourds, but watch for overwatering and pests. Winter, October-February, is the best time for most vegetables: palak, dhania, methi, carrots, radishes, cabbage, and flowers like marigold and zinnia. Plan your garden by season for the best results. Adapting to the seasons keeps your garden alive and productive. Each change brings new colors and flavors. Your garden will always have something to offer. Enjoy the rhythm of nature in your own home. With each season, you'll learn and grow as a gardener. There's always something new to try. Your garden will never be boring. Embrace the cycle, and your plants will thrive. Let's talk about caring for your plants. Your garden is growing. Now it's time to care for it. Watering is key. Use the finger test. If the soil is dry an inch down, water. If not, wait. Don't overwater or underwater. Listen to your plants. Pests may appear, but don't panic. Use neem oil mixed with soap and water as a safe spray. This protects your plants and keeps good insects safe. Start with basic tools: a hand trowel, watering can, and gloves. Most important are your hands, eyes, and heart. Be patient. Gardens take time to grow. Some seeds sprout, some don't. Some plants thrive, others struggle. Learn from every success and mistake. Celebrate every new leaf and flower. Gardening is a journey, not a race. Start small, enjoy the process, and have fun. Your green adventure is just beginning. Every day brings something new. Watch your garden change and grow. The joy is in the journey, not just the harvest. Your plants will teach you patience and wonder. Keep caring, keep learning, and keep growing. Welcome to the world of gardening. Your adventure starts now.